We will show a couple of videos here. These are showing general capabilities and how technology can be deployed as we look towards the future. So the first off is we're going to show a little bit of characterization of an individual using a video captured from a drone. Now this video was processed after the fact, so just FYI on that. And let me turn off pointer options. All right. So as I start this video here, and I'll play it in small size first, and then we'll go back. You're seeing the overlay in the safer system here that is showing the gender and age assessment that it is able to execute based on the face images that you saw below there. So if I pause this, bring it back here, you'll see these face images are at extreme angles. If we made it a little bit larger over on the side, you would see that neither of these individuals are enrolled. In the first one, it says male age 33, and the second one, it says male age 41. So as we continue on, we'll fly around to the back side of the house where we previously enrolled one of the individual's faces. And as the drone zooms in and starts to get sufficient resolution on the face, it can do its matching. And there you'll see, the video controls. Seem to be missing there. We'll go big screen. You may be able to see the information overlay here. Now those information overlays are also something that is configurable within the Safer platform. So you have a high degree of control over what you are presenting to your surveillance or security staff as well. And we'll just let this one come back in. And there we go. We have the match right there. With that, let's move on. So that was just showing you at a standoff being able to collect some intelligence as well as